how difficult it is to obtain the CSM certification. Let's talk about this. My name is Alcides Santopietro, and I'm an instructor of preparatory courses for certifications like PMP, PMI-ACP, some Agile certifications, and disciplined Agile ones as well. And in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about how the level of difficulty, or how difficult it is to pass the exam to obtain the CSM certification, Certified Scrum Master certification. How difficult is it? So the CSM certification, Certified Scrum Master, is a certification issued by an organization called the Scrum Alliance, and is a certification that is not difficult to obtain. After a couple of days of training, you're going to sit for the exam. It's multiple question exam. You have 50 questions to answer. You have 1 hour to go through the 50 questions. And it is not really rocket science. You need to know precisely some concepts, some definitions. You need to know the ceremonies of a Scrum method. You need to know the role of the Scrum Master, what it is, what it entails, the Agile Manifesto. So you need to know the basics. You need to know what you learn from the training, from the preparatory training. But once you go through the training, you study a little bit, and then you take the exam, and when you pass the exam, you get the certification. Sometimes you might take the preparatory training, and then at the end of the second day, for example, of a preparatory training, you take the exam right away, and then if you pass, you obtain the certification at that moment. Not at all a difficult certification, a good entry-level certification if you want to demonstrate to the market that you have the basic knowledge to perform as a Scrum Master. So, so an easy one, a quick win. If you want to do, if you want to have this quick win, go for it. You have some investment of money to make, but the investment of time and effort to study for the exam to pass the test is not high, especially compared to other certifications that are on the market. All right, I hope this video helps you, and see you next time.